If you're experiencing issues with the Cyberpunk 2077 update getting stuck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. You can do this by testing other online services or running a speed test. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Cyberpunk 2077 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve update issues. Step 3. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then plugging it back in. For PC users, you can try verifying the game files through your game launcher. Step 4. Check for system updates. Make sure your gaming platform PC, PlayStation, Xbox is fully updated. Sometimes, system updates are required to install game updates. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Cyberpunk 2077. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing the update to get stuck. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with the update getting stuck. If problems persist, consider reaching out to the game support team for further assistance.